Hi friends, today in this video I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.2 class 7th CBSE. The question is, solve the following equations by systematic method and also check the result. So first part is x minus 5 is equals to be 3. Second part, x minus 8 is equals to be negative 3. Third part, x minus 9 is equals to be negative 3. So we are going to solve it directly. First part, x minus 5 is equals to be 3. Okay. To solve it, we have to make sure that x is all under itself. So, and as 5 is subtracted from x, so we are going to do the inverse operation, that is adding 5 to both sides. Here minus 5 and plus 5 will get cancelled out and we get x is equals to be 3 plus 5. That is x is equals to be 8. Now we have to verify that the answer is correct. So, 8 minus 5 must equal to be 3. And yes, 3 is equals to be 3. So we have verified and found the answer and the value of x. Okay, second part. X minus 8 is equals to be negative 3. This involves negative number, but the concept will remain the same. We have to get rid of this minus 8. As it is subtracted, we are going to do an inverse operation, that is plus. We are going to add 8 from both sides. In the left hand sides, minus 8 and plus 8 will get cancelled out. We get the answer as x is equals to be minus 3 plus 8. And remember, we can also write it as 8 minus 3. That is 5. X equals 5. Now we are going to verify our answer. 5 minus 8 must equal to negative 3. And yes, 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Negative 3 is equals to a negative 3. Thus, we have found the value of x and verified it. The third part. X minus 9 is equals to be negative 3. It is similar to the last part, but it is having minus 9 instead of minus 8. Again, we have to rid of this minus 9. So as inverse operation of minus is plus, we are going to add 9 from both sides. Here plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled out. We get x is equals to be minus 3 plus 9, or 9 minus 3, that is 6. So x equals 6. Okay, now we have to verify it. 6 minus 9 must equal to minus 3. And yes, 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 equals to be minus 3. Thus, we have verified and found the answer of x in all these 3 parts. Okay, now we are going to solve the next 3 parts of the same question. Fourth part is x plus 6 is equals to be 4. Fifth part, x plus 7 is equals to be minus 3. And sixth part, x divided by 6 is equals to be 36. So, we are going to solve the first part. that is fourth. We get x plus 6 is equals to be 4. Okay, we want that x is all alone itself. So as 6 is added to it, we have to subtract 6 from both sides. In the left hand side, plus 6 and minus 6 get cancelled out. We get x is equals to be 4 minus 6. And of course is equals to be minus 2. X is equals to be minus 2. Okay. Now we have to confirm that it is the correct answer. We are going to substitute the value of x. Minus 2 plus 6 is equals to be 4. That is 6 minus 2 equals 4. And yes, 8 equals 4 and 4 is equals to be 4. So we have solved the fourth part. Now the fifth part. X plus 7 equals minus 3. Same thing here. We want x to be all itself, and as 7 is added to it, we have to subtract 7, as it is the inverse operation. Subtracting both sides with 7, we get x is equals to be minus 10, as 3 minus 7 is equals to be minus 3 plus 7, that is plus 10. Sorry, minus 10. So now we are going to replace the value of x, that is substitution, and we are going to confirm that our answer is correct. Minus 10 plus 7 is equals to be minus 3. Well, yes. Minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3, so minus 3 equals minus 3. Well, you can confirm that. Actually, it equals 3 minus 7. So, how minus 10 has come? So, I have written in the brackets. So, we have solved the fifth part. Now, the sixth part. X divided by 6 equals 36. Yeah, before we were dealing the questions with plus and minus. Now we are dealing the question with multiplication and division. So same, the concept is same. We want x to be all itself. So we have divided it by 6. We have to multiply both sides by 6 so that they cancel out. So we get 6 and here 6. We are multiplying it. Parentheses meaning that we are multiplying it. So we get 6 into x upon 6 equals to be 36. We are going to do multiplication. 6 6 are 36, 6 3, 6 3s are 18, 80 plus 3 21, 216. Okay, here 6 get cancelled out as they are inverse operations. So we get the answer as x equals to be 216. Now let's put the answer in the equation so that we verify that the answer is correct. So our answer becomes as, after substitution, 216 divided by 6 equals 36. Now we are going to divide them. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, then 3, 6 6 are 36. Yeah, 36 equals 36, and therefore we have solved the sixth part as well, as shown in your screen.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like our videos of our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell for more educational video notifications of our channel.